Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for your Dyno stand we happen to have one of our LS 427 cubic inch Whipple 2.9 liter supercharged engines. This motor is absolutely gorgeous. This happens to be our 1,000 horsepower engine build. Let me go over a little bit about how we build this one up. We start out with the Texas Speed re-sleeved aluminum block. It's got a Eagle forged crank H-beam connecting rods, a beautiful set of forged pistons. This one's got the LS3 style cylinder heads on it with stainless steel roller rockers. We did the top end up with the Whipple 2.9, and on the front of this thing we got the Concept 1 alternator only serpentine system. If you're interested in having one of these built for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take care of a Dyno run. I know you really guys are going to be enjoying it.
Up on RPM and down to our target.